Well, good morning everyone. My name's Richard. I'm off out in my new van, a camp-in van as I call it. More now as we go on. The idea today is I'm just going to take it out somewhere to cook some breakfast and just see how we get on with the cooking facilities as I plan to use it. So on the way there, a little bit about this vehicle. It's a Toyota Alphard, a Japanese import. So not very common in this country, although they are becoming very, very popular. 2004, so it's quite old. But I tell you what, this vehicle is so clean, you wouldn't believe it is that old. The idea here with this is that I want to take it out camping. I've had a lot of experience camping in my younger years, and I want to do more of it, particularly where I go on days out, trips out. We take the van, my wife and my dog Roxy. It's just me today though, just me. And yeah, we're going to take it on days out. We're going to camp in the back from time to time, use it as a way to go and visit places. And today I thought we're going to go to a little town called Arundel to go and have a bit of breakfast and have a wander around the town and see what's going on. So let's get on with the drive. Right, well unfortunately that didn't quite go to plan. Mill Lane, which is a popular park up, was very, very busy down there this morning. In fact, the whole town looks to be very, very busy. And that's where I was hoping to park up for the day. Instead I've had to come into the castle car park, which isn't ideal, but it'll do for this test. So let's get this table set up as my way of testing this out on how I want to start cooking some food. And then what I'll do, I'll get some coffee on the go, followed by some porridge. Right, well that's got the coffee made. While that cools down, because it's going to be very, very hot, I'm going to cook up my porridge. I've actually made this last night, just soaking porridge oats in milk and yoghurt and a bit of maple syrup. But on a day like this, I think I want something that's going to be a bit warmer. So let's warm this up quickly. I've got to say, this jet boil I've had for quite a while. Never really used it that much, but when I do use it, I'm always blown away with just how fast it cooks and boils things up. Right, well, I got coffee. And I have my porridge oats now. Unfortunately, when cooking the porridge, the bottom did catch a little, it did burn a bit, so that's something I've got to think about in the future. If I carry on using this jet boil, it does get pretty hot and that porridge oats may well burn very, very quickly if I can get it cleaned out on the bottom, because it's pretty bad. But never mind. Ultimately, let's see what it tastes like. Yeah, very nice. Very nice indeed. So I'm going to eat this and then we'll go over and wander around and see the sights that is in Arundel. I've returned back down to Mill Road now, somewhere where I tried to park earlier, but when I was driving up and down this road I noticed there was a nice looking footpath that runs alongside what I believe to be the moat for the castle. A lot of people walking up and down here, so I thought let's go venture out and see what we find along this path.
Sit on a bench and watch it happen. I'm sure somebody has.
Right, well that is my visit to Arundel over and done with. What a great little place to come and visit. Lots to look around and see and do, as well as lots of nice little walks, lots of little cafes, lots of little restaurants. So yeah, if you're in West Sussex and fancy a pop in, highly recommend it. Now it's time for me to go on home, and I'm just going to start to assess my thoughts on this van, the first trip out. As a drive, beautiful, can't complain. Very comfortable, very nice to drive, so very happy with that. The main test for today was the cooking side of things, and that was a good little experiment. So what I found, that table just fits nicely, and working under the boot of the car also gives me a bit of shelter if it does rain. Obviously if it's really harsh rain, then there might be a problem, so I'm not too keen on growing on or cooking inside the van. However, the actual equipment that I'm using, the jet boil, great for boiling water, got hot nice and quick, but a bit too hot for the porridge, so I'll have to dig out some of my other pots and pans and see what we can use instead. But yeah, very, very happy with what we've done so far. Those boxes that I keep everything in are perfect. They fit nicely in the van, and they fit nicely when it comes to using or laying the bed down, which I'll probably show you on another video another time. So that kind of sums up this week's video. We'll be back again next time, so if you've liked this video, please like, please subscribe, and let me know any comments down below. Have you been to Arundel, and what did you think of the place? Let me know. Right, until next time, please take care.